Today I am going to start the chapter integers exercise 1.1. This is the first question. They gave the number line here. Here they are marked some cities. Here 0, -5, -10, -15, Lahaul Spiti, Srinagar, Shimla, Ooty and Bangalore they marked. In first A question what they are asking, we have to write the temperature of the given cities marked on the number line. See, they are marking on the number line. Srinagar. Here is a Srinagar 0, -1, -2. -2 degrees Celsius is a Srinagar. Then Lahaul Spiti is the -5, -6, -7, -8. -8 degrees Celsius. Then Shimla. Directly they give 5 degrees Celsius. Ooty. Here is a 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Ooty is a 14 degrees Celsius. Bangalore 21, where it is 21 and 22. 22 degree Celsius is a Bangalore. See here, nothing, we not did any sum here. Only see the number line where it is marked. You have to write the measurement of the temperature. Okay. Then second one. They are asking the difference between hottest and coldest places. Which is the hottest place here? Hottest place is Bangalore. Which is the Bangalore. Second question. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? Hottest place. It is Bangalore. What is the temperature recorded? 22 degrees Celsius. Then coldest. Coldest place. Lahaul Spiti. It is 8 degrees Celsius. That is -8 degrees Celsius. -2 is greater than -8. Here -8 is the bigger number which is having minus sign. That is the less one, smaller one. So Lahaul Spiti is having coldest. Now we have to find the difference. Difference between hottest and coldest places is equal to 22 degree Celsius. This is the difference, and the coldest place is 8 degrees Celsius. So 22 degrees Celsius minus becomes plus 8 degrees Celsius. The difference is 30 degree Celsius. Okay, understand or not? See here, coldest place is Lahaul Spiti, that is 8 degrees Celsius, and Bangalore is 22 degrees Celsius. Already it is a -8, so we have to write, this is the difference means we have to write minus, and this is the given temperature, so minus becomes plus here. We have to add these two, we get 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, see. Difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar. We have to find the difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar. See here. Lahaul Spiti is the how much it is? -8 degrees Celsius, and Srinagar -2 degrees Celsius. We have to find the difference. Difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar. Difference means we have to write minus. And what is the temperature? -2 degrees Celsius. -8 degrees Celsius minus plus 2 degrees Celsius. -8 plus 2. We have to subtract. We have to keep the minus sign. -6 degrees Celsius. 8 minus 2 is 6. Bigger number is having which this is the minus sign. So we should write -6 degrees Celsius is the answer. Then D. Temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla. They are asking. See here. Temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together means we have to add both. Temperature of Srinagar and temperature of Shimla. We have to add these two. Temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. What is the temperature of Srinagar? -2 and temperature of Shimla 5. Temperature of Srinagar -2 degrees Celsius. Then temperature of Shimla, how much it is? 5 degrees Celsius, right? Taken together means we have to add these two temperatures. -2 degrees Celsius plus 5 degrees Celsius. If we will add these two, here is a minus and here is a plus, so we have to subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 degrees Celsius is the answer. What they are asking, is it less than the temperature of Srinagar? They are asking. So, 3 degrees Celsius is less than 5 degrees Celsius. 3 degrees Celsius is less than 5 degrees Celsius. So, what is the conclusion? So, it is less than the temperature of, so, it is less than the temperature at Srinagar. Write down the conclusion. So, it is, which is less than, what they are asking? See the question first. Is it less than the temperature of Srinagar? Is it less than? 3 is not a less than. 3 is less than 5 degree. But temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. So, it is not less than the temperature at Srinagar. Therefore, it is not less than temperature at Srinagar. Okay, question number 2. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for the incorrect answers. If Jack scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? We have to find. See here, what is the, how to write the solution? You write Jack scores in 5 successive rounds where 25, -5, yes, 25, -5, 10 and see one more number is missed. What is that number? Let me check the question once. Okay, see here, 25, -5, -10, here is -10, -10, -15 and 10. 5 are there. So, 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10. Okay, 25 -5, then -10 plus 15 plus 10. Now 25, you take the positive numbers one side, plus 10 Here minus 5, minus 10. Add these three. 25 plus 15 is 40 plus 10 is 50. 50 minus 15. Yes, what is the subtraction? 35 marks. So his total at the end is his total at the end 35 marks. Okay. How much marks he scores? He scores 35. See here. George scores in 5 successive rounds where they give the marks 25, minus 5, minus 10, plus 15 and plus 10. So you add those numbers. Which are positive? I took one side 25, 15 and 10. Minus 5, minus 10. Add these three. Answer is 50. Add these two and write the minus sign because both are minus. 15. Subtract these two will get 35. His total at the end is 35 marks. Okay. We will continue in the next class.